one says something different. Which one is true?
Oh, my dear child, you think confusion and information only exist today? Huh? This story is older than you think.
Oh no, here comes one of your long story again, Grandma.
Not just a story, a journey through time about the power of information. Long ago, in the land of thinkers and dreamers, there lived a wise philosophers.
Words are just not a sound. They carry meaning. When I speak, ideas enter your mind.
So, words can actually change people?
Yes, we search for truth. We study nature and hold our task metaphysics, means what lies beyond nature.
And from their curiosity, science was born, that desire to know. But there was a time when knowledge are rare.
Go.
Every book must copied by hands. One mistake, the meaning changes.
Oh, that sounds exhausting.
Only the wealthy and powerful could read this book. Knowledge is precious and limited.
During the time, information was like gold, valuable but scarce.
Why copy one book when you can print hundreds?
Wait, hundreds?
Yes, my printing press can multiply knowledge. Books will become a cheaper education when spread.
So, knowledge will no longer belong to a few?
Exactly, knowledge is for everyone.
Nature follows laws, and mathematics explains those laws.
So, numbers explain the world?
Yes, mathematics is the language of nature. Because of science, humans discovered electricity, then radio, then television. Understanding nature gives humanity power.
Scientists need a faster way to share information. So I created the World Wide Web.
The internet?
Yes, now information can travel instantly across the globe.
Because of Berners-Lee's discoveries, letters become emails, and newspaper become online news. So the world became connected.
So now, anyone can post anything?
Yes, but not everything posted is true.
I totally agree with you, Dana. Today, there are fake news, scams, and misinformation.
And that is why, my dear child, you must think before you share. Remember, from ancient words to handwritten books to printed text to television and into this worldwide web, information has always had power.
And now, that power is in our hands.
So, choose truth over noise, choose knowledge over misinformation, and lastly, use information wisely.